Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. I just came by real quick to show you it's a Let's Resin. It's one of those honey jar molds. And I had just seen that somebody posted in Let's Resin, and I'm sorry I did not get a name. I'm like that. I get so excited by the project, I just don't even look at the name. So I decided to do a Grinch one. The one I saw was a Santa, a red jar with a white top, and then they put a vinyl belt around the middle. So I decided to try a Grinch one. Now, I'm not sure that I made my green dark enough, so we'll just see. So I'll be back in the morning to demold it. Hopefully. It's been so cold. I'm not kidding, it's been 26 degrees in the mornings, and we're lucky if it gets to 40 in the afternoon. Yesterday it actually got to 55 from 26 in the morning, and today it actually got to 60, so that's why I'm doing this. So I'm hoping it's gonna set up before the temperature drops too much tonight. So again, we'll see. I'll be back in the morning. Okay, it's the next morning. They both cured perfectly. I'm actually really surprised by that. I did have to add literally maybe a 1/16 of an inch of some UV resin on the bottom, just so it wouldn't be too thin. Alright. Let's go for it. Ow. Now, this lid, actually, when you fill it full, you want the center to either just barely dome or literally full. This, of course, shrunk down just a tiny bit, but I'm gonna add probably a vinyl cutout or something, so I'll dome it with a little UV resin. Alright. Okay. Wow. I love what the little drops of resin dye did. And the underneath side is spectacular. Oh my gosh, I love that little fine glitter. I mean, the chunky is awesome too, but I love how the little fine glitter really just disperses throughout. Wow, I love it. Alright. This one is notoriously difficult to demold. Now I got it turned back all the way around. So now it's just a matter of rolling it back. There we go. Getting the lid on the first time is always difficult. Super cute. Alright, all it needs now is a vinyl belt and a little something on the top. That will be so cute. So I'm gonna get those together and I'll be right back. And here it is. So cute. Now the belt buckle doesn't want to stick as well. It's a little different type of vinyl, and I have not mastered it yet for sure, but so cute. I'll try to have the cut file for the Grinch's face down below. The belt, I just did that myself, so. Alright, so I'm gonna try to do this same pot mold with white. I'm gonna try to do a silver kind of white for a snow, with a little white, this is actually alcohol ink, pinata, and then I'm gonna do a Christmas red one with the pearl alcohol ink, a little red glitter, pearl alcohol ink, the little red glitter. I may try to mix some mica powder in with these as well, although these are actually already pearl. Never mind. And then I'm going to do a green, a more of a elf green with a white top, red with a white top, green with a white top, and then white. Okay, I'm gonna try to do these in upcoming videos. I'm sorry, the madness is overwhelming. I still do not have my Facebook or Instagram back. They've just deleted my accounts and made a decision not to do anything about reinstating them. And evidently they have no recourse. So, that being said, I do still have a Pinterest. I do actually still have a Twitter, which I'm going to be working on. That's really about it. Having my YouTube stolen really nearly wiped me out. And if it was not for Team YouTube, I would not have been able to get it back. So, 12 years worth of my life was instantly wiped out. My advice to you is do not link your Facebook with anything. Not with your YouTube account. Not anything. If anything happens like this to you, Facebook will literally just wipe you out. All my friends, all my family, nobody had any idea what happened. So, it was kind of scary. Thank goodness for my phone. Which I rarely talk to my sisters on my phone. So they weren't even sure they had the right number. So, like I said, my advice to you is just do not link your Facebook with anything else. Facebook has evidently become very hard to deal with. So, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry I got off topic. This cute little Grinch pot. Oh my gosh. I'm going to say once again, I'm sorry I did not get a name. I apologize. And it was literally seconds before my Facebook was taken down. This pot right here is a Let's Resin pot. Now I am affiliate with Let's Resin. I'll have a link below. I actually bought this pot myself. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've already made several, and I'm gonna make several more. I'm gonna give these as Christmas gifts. I just bought a bunch more molds for Christmas gifts. I say a bunch. It was like 6 or 7. But anyway, because my sister requested stuff for Christmas. So, I'll be on the ball. Alright? Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. Like. Please like. Please subscribe. Bye for now.